I'm really sorry about the part 1, but this is part 2, the bathroom, and this is, sorry, this is the bedroom, my grandma's bedroom, my grandma's bathroom. My sister doesn't live here anymore. She is at university, at work. Well, she does. This is all the doors, but I'm not allowed to show them because my mom did not let me. This is the garage. Sorry, it's really dark. So hot in here. But yeah. This is the front yard. Look, the plants, everything. And then when we walk in this pathway, there are more plants. And then here, and then when you go through this gate, there is the backyard. So